I'm currently in the Cleary model by Dostie Homes here in Nocatee, and I want to show you some of my favorite features that only this home has compared to all the other builders, and then I'll give you a quick tour of what it looks like inside. Come on. First, I'm gonna have to mention is this kitchen. It's absolutely beautiful. It's actually so nice that I actually think I would start a sourdough collection. I feel like I'm the only millennial that hasn't started sourdough yet. If you guys have a good sourdough recipe, let me know. But this kitchen is absolutely stunning with the gourmet features that it also has. It has the seamless transition for the sink, and then also has a 5-burner and this beautiful new modern hood. So instead of the typical hoods that came out a little bit more farmhouse, this is more like a modern industrial look, and it's beautiful. And I love how the face matches the face of the cabinets too. But this is just one of them. I love this layout of the kitchen. I love how it flows, and it's very welcoming and perfect for hosting. Now, this is one of my favorite rooms, and no, it's not the master bedroom. It's actually one of the bedrooms that are upstairs. Look at these windows, you guys. There's so much natural light in this room. Honestly, it'd be a good office or a really good, alarm to wake up in the morning, but it's absolutely beautiful, and it's only available with this model, with this builder. It's stunning. Now, this next one is actually for my northerners who feel like we don't have enough storage within these new model homes. Guess what? Now you do. So this insanely big room, look at this. It's actually where your HVAC is. So this is actually not heated and cooled, but this is great storage for you. So what I really like about this room is that you could close it in if you want. They cannot, as the builder, close it in. Fun fact, there is a limitation for 50-foot lots, which is the lot that this home sits on. So because of that, they're only able to come up to about 29-ish hundred square feet. But if they go above that, they max out and they do not allow them to build it. But if you were to do it after closing and put a mini split in there and use it as space, you can, or honestly utilize it what it is. It's storage. Thankfully, most builders don't do this. They do finish it out. Some builders don't even do it that much justice, but this is an amazing feature that too many people don't give it credit for. This is one of my favorite features as well. So this is actually a media room, not a flex room, because the flex room's right out there, right behind you. And so this could either act as a 5th bedroom, an office, or remain a media room. Close it off, black it out, flood the room, make it a movie theater room. Anything that you want, this floor plan has unlimited options for you, and especially for a growing family. And last but not least is this amazing backyard oasis that they have created with its own little island. My clients loved this so much. They actually built it on a different floor plan, but had this exact layout, but with a beautiful fire pit right here. And I'm absolutely in love with not only the water feature, but these lily pads. I seriously can't. I think they're the cutest thing ever. They make you feel like you're walking on water, but also a nice little shelf you can put your drink on while you're relaxing on your beautiful backyard oasis. Now I'm going to do a slight commercial break just to say, if you're liking this video, please comment maybe some of your favorite items below. I know I have some of my favorite things about this floor plan, but I would love to hear yours. If you're scrolling through this and you're watching it and you're like, oh my gosh, Demi, I can't believe you didn't love this. Let me know. I'd love to hear some of your favorite things about this floor plan. And while you're at it, go ahead, like, subscribe, and share with someone else who's maybe thinking about moving to Nocatee or has been daydreaming about it and they won't stop talking, so might as well just feed the fuel to the fire, right? But let's get back to our tour. There are a lot of options when it comes to builders, floor plans, everything when it comes to Nocatee. But I will be honest with you, they are in their final phases of construction. So if you're looking to personalize or customize your home as much as possible, I would highly suggest maybe getting your foot in the door and starting a conversation. We could even start one to see what options there are, maybe floor plans that might work out for you, or even redesigning some of them, because that's one of my favorite things to do. I just did it yesterday with one of my clients and basically knocked out multiple walls, but the builder was willing to do it. But if you guys have any questions on Nocatee, what's to come, what's coming, or any floor plans in this neighborhood, reach out, let's connect, and let's start planning your next home.